All right, everybody, it's Brandon Caldwell, and welcome back to our 30 for 30 Financial Challenge, where we're going to help 30 families achieve financial freedom or start their journeys to financial freedom over the next 30 days. Now, this is a recap video in case you missed the first 5. Let's talk about it real quick. See, everybody in America should have 2 financial objectives. Remember, we know objective number 1 is that your current lifestyle should be paid for by your labor. You go to work every day. For what? To pay your bills, pay the mortgage, put clothes on your back, put food in your belly, take care of your children. That's why we go to work every day. But very few people are thinking of objective number 2, which is your future lifestyle. You see, you're supposed to work today so that you have some money tomorrow. But what happens when you don't want to work? In other words, one day you're not going to want to clock in. You're not going to want to answer to anyone, or someone will get tired of you constantly clocking in, or someone will get tired of asking you questions. Either way, you may get a pink slip or give yourself a pink slip. See, the bottom line is when you stop working, your finances do not improve. So you need what? You need investments. I want you guys to write this down. Never forget, something has to work, just not me. Something has to work, just not me. Now, there's 4 things that are keeping you from getting to that financial freedom that you desire, where investments make more money for you than you make for the money. So here's why. Number 1 was inflation, meaning the value of the dollar goes down every single day. Why? Because in this country, at any point, business owners can increase their prices, which means that your $20 bill, your $50, your $100, or not even your $1 bill is going as far as it used to. So that's called inflation. You have to put your money and time into things that outpace inflation. See, the best way to get wealthy in this country is to put your dollar into something and let inflation push it. And that's where we're going to talk about, or what we're going to talk about in future videos. See, number 2 was taxes, right? What about taxes? Well, think about it. You've got property tax, you've got state tax, local tax, federal tax, ad valorem tax, sales tax. See, about 1/3 of your income disappears and goes to the government. That means when you get paid, the government will actually get paid first, and then you get paid second. So why don't you have enough money to invest? Again, it's because a lot of it is going to Uncle Sam. We talked about that, actually how to minimize your taxes in video number 2. Now, challenge number 3, which is why your second goal is difficult to meet. It's called debt. See, debt is a curse. Remember, sin is something that you do, a curse is something that is done to you. In other words, the debt that you can imagine, from credit cards, student loans, to your car note, your mortgage, all that interest that you can amass actually can go to your second objective if you didn't have to borrow so much money. But why do people borrow so much? Because of the taxes. And why are people struggling? Because of inflation. So your second goal will never get met when you hit inflation, taxes, and debt at the same time, and all in the same day. And guys, we haven't even talked about challenge number 4, which is big business. See, big business is always marketing, always running music, always running ads, always running commercials. See, they play on your fears. Everything from pharmaceuticals to technology will always get you spending money of some type. So that's what we've covered so far in these 2 to 3 minute educational videos in our 30 for 30 Financial Challenge. Now, in future videos, we're going to talk about solutions. But right now, just text me keyword recap if you're looking at this recap video. No matter where you saw the sequence, it doesn't matter. We'll start you guys on a game plan right away. But just text me keyword recap to 678-355-8172. Again, 678-355-8172. And I promise I'll advance you some of my future videos to show you guys some of our $1 million strategies and get you on the right path to financial freedom. Remember, as of right now, there's no longer a secret to success, because money talks, but wealth whispers. See you guys in the next video. Text keyword recap to 678-355-8172. Peace.